बाद में कट जाएगा नंबर।
नहीं, I have started recording. Okay, so let's start from the start. Sorry for that technical issue. ठीक है, अभी first of all we will be creating this part, right? We will be creating this part. So first, I won't be writing the copies. I will be copy pasting the copies. So take your pen and papers and see how I'm creating columns, because for this we have to create a separate column for here, and we have to create a separate column from here. Okay, two separate columns, one for photo, one for this copy. One for photo and one for this copy. So how are we going to do it? Slash 2C, two columns. Done. We have one column here and one column here. Okay. So this column we will do for copy. And this column, I'm just copy pasting, guys. You can just upload photos as well. So what do you do for uploading photos? Just go and do slash image, and then you can upload your image. But since I have already done image, since I already have here image here, I'm just going to copy paste it. But just take a note that it will be / image. Okay, cool. Nothing is cutting, everything is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you for your patience, guys. तो यहाँ पे what is the first part of the portfolio? We have done an intro of ourselves, small description of ourselves of what I do, like what you guys do, and here we have a profile picture of ourselves where it's a LinkedIn profile picture. You can add any picture of yourself or anything. Like you can add your logo if you have a logo. You can add your own picture if you have your own picture. I have just added my LinkedIn profile picture. So cool. Nothing is cutting, everything is fine, right? Okay, awesome. So now, okay. So, Abhi, is it fine now?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Hmm. So, for image, you just go ahead and do slash image. Okay. And then add image here. And here you can do your intro, short intro of yourself, right? And for two columns, you just do slash / 2C, so that you have a column here and a column here. So now we are going to add this callout section right here. Okay, everything's fine. Am I audible? Nothing's cutting, right?
Yes. Voice is clear.
Yeah. Okay. So what do we do for this callout section? This will have responsive features, like it will take you to a particular link. If you click Richita Roy, it will take you to my LinkedIn page, and if you click here as send me an email, it will take you to Tally forms. Okay, where anyone, it's responsive, fully responsive. I will show you the Tally form part as well. So it will take you to Tally forms, and then you can, like your prospect or your ICP can just enter whatever they want here. So that's for another part, but I will show you how to create this callout section right here. So just do slash callout. Here you can change the emoji, but I'm not going to change the emoji. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And then let me show you how you can make a text, add a link to a text, right? Let me show you how. Richita. So here we have Richita Roy. So just select the text you want to add a link to, press CTRL-K, and then add the link here. Add your LinkedIn profile link right here, so that whenever someone clicks this text, it goes to your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Now, same for this. What I'm going to do is send me an email. I'm going to send me an email. Okay. So this isn't a link yet because we haven't created a tally form for it. But I will be also showing you how you can create a tally form and embed it so that whenever you click this part, it will take you to that form, right? So for now, we are just going to concentrate on the callout section. So we have our callout section and our basic initial intro. Is it clear till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it's clear till now, right? चलो ठीक है चलो
Rishita, I'm not very clear about this email वाला. ये कैसे करते हैं?
मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी बाद में. लेट्स नॉट कम टू दिस पार्ट जस्ट येट.
Okay, okay. Right,
ठीक है.
right. Okay, okay. Carry on.
मैं जस्ट टेलीफॉर्म मैं जब टेलीफॉर्म करूंगी एंड आस्क क्वेश्चंस व्हेन आई टेल यू गाइस टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, राइट?
Okay, okay. Fine,
Not
fine.
right
चलो.
now. I will have whenever I tell कि हाँ अभी ask questions, you guys can. ठीक है. जब
Okay.
आपने questions ask कर ही लिया है, does anyone have any question up until now? Okay, so we can move forward. So this is the initial page. Fine. Now what we are going to create, we have our basic intro. We are going to create my workspace. Here you can add buttons, and this button, whenever you click this button, it's going to take you to your Behance portfolio, or maybe you have written content. It's going to take you to that portfolio. So you can add buttons, right? You can add buttons for your portfolio. How are we going to do it? Let me show you. So just for heading, do /H3, press enter, type my work, and then if you want to add a clean line, just type 3 dashes and it will give you a clean line, right? It looks good. It's just for the looks. Now let's put two buttons here, one on left and one on right. So what are we going to do? Just the same thing we did here. We are going to type /2c for making two columns for two buttons. /2c. Now we have a column here and we have a column here. Now to add a button, we do /button. New action. It will give us an option of new action, and then we are going to just choose to open a URL because you want to open your portfolio, right? So just choose a URL. Maybe have an emoji, right? So let's just LinkedIn portfolio. Just type it there, right? Similarly, done. Similarly, since I haven't added a URL, it's showing that. But let's add an URL anyways. Let's add this URL. Let's add my LinkedIn portfolio URL. I'll see that. Similarly, we are also going to paste, have a button here. Let's name it YouTube portfolio. Okay. New action, open URL. Select the URL. Just copy paste the URL you want, right? And then press done. So you have LinkedIn portfolio, YouTube portfolio. You can also add emojis here. So whenever you click it, it's going to take you to your portfolio. So we have two sections right here where you have a basic intro and my work section where you create buttons so that it can take you to your portfolio as well. Is that clear until now? Everything's clear?
So
Just,
we can have the Instagram thing also on this, no?
yeah, any
Yeah,
link. Any
you know?
link.
Okay, okay.
You can have any link. No worries.
No, but can we create all three in a line? कि दो ही करने होंगे? Two columns
Now,
only.
okay, I will show you how to create three columns as well. That's not an issue.
Okay.
Okay,
Right. Okay.
that's not an issue. So here we are done with my work. So let me show you how you can, like, if you want to incorporate visuals as a graphic designer, how can you do something like this? And it's also mobile responsive as well. It's not like कि चीजें distort हो जाएंगी if it's on mobile view or something. It's nothing like that. So let's create this section, because if you can create this thumbnail section, you can also create this section, right? It's not, पर आपने जब बोला है कि तीन कॉलम कैसे क्रिएट करें, let's create that section. So YouTube thumbnail, three dashes, right? And then forward slash 3C. We did 2C for two columns. Now we are going to do 3C for three columns.
Mm.
Enter. So we have three columns right here. Let's just do heading को थोड़ा बड़ा कर देते हैं, H3 करते हैं. YouTube thumbnail. For heading, H3 or H2 use कर सकते हो based on the type of size you want, right? Three dashes and forward slash 3C. Done. We have three columns here. 1, 2, 3. We have three columns, and now we can, I'm just going to copy paste because I have it here. I'm not going to search for files and then say ki ha, like I'm not going to waste time on searching files. I'm just going to copy and paste stuff. But just to give you an idea how to add an image again, just type slash forward slash image, add image, and just you can just upload image, right? Here you have upload image. Just go to upload image and you can just upload those documents. Let's just do this. Okay. So here's how you add image, and you can adjust the size as well. You can adjust the size as well like this. Just take the cursor here and just increase or decrease the size. So here's how you can create three columns, and here's how you can just organize everything. So since we have learned how to create this column, this is pretty easy as well. You can just add slash 3C or slash 2C and just add screenshots of posts you have done, kind of the kind number of reactions you have gotten. So you can just add it like that. Is it clear till now, everyone? कुछ react कर दो so that I know.
Yes.
So that I know. Okay, is this helpful सबको? Like अगर अभी कुछ doubt है, कुछ comments में doubt है या वैसा कुछ, you can just ask now. कोई doubt नहीं है, right? Okay, okay, fine, fine by me. Now once we have created this part कि हाँ हमने अपना visuals बना लिया, हमने अपना कुछ ये pictures दे दिया, हमने buttons भी add कर लिए हैं अब. We have also added buttons here, which if we click, it will take us to that portfolio. We have created a few visuals that can be like organized and put in a very nice and neat way. Now this is optional, but you can create a section. This is just you have to copy paste your the copyright you have already. So just copy paste the copy and you will be able to, this is nothing, this is not this is not rocket science. हाँ this is not rocket science. Just इस heading के लिए you have to type H3, right? Just like this, you have to type H3. और body के लिए you don't have to type anything. You just have to copy paste everything. Body के लिए you don't have to type H3. So what have I done here? मैंने यहाँ customer जो कस्टमर सक्सेस है मैंने वो कॉलम्स ऐड कर दिया है, ठीक है. This is I'm talking about customer success story or client success story. You can add your success stories as well, right? It doesn't have to be a client. If you don't have a client, it doesn't have to be that way. Just showcase the results that you have produced for yourself and write it in a very clean and nice manner. Why, right? Like, who was the customer? What was their problem? What did you solve? How did you do to solve it? What did you do to solve it? What was the outcome? And then for the outcome you can just add a picture or anything, or screenshot of the screenshot of what people said about the post, how many engagement it got, how many impressions it got, right? Right, you can just add those things, but I would highly suggest कि हाँ ठीक है आप तो visuals दिखा रहे हैं, आप आप अपना विजुअल अपना पर्सनल पोर्टफोलियो भी डाल दिए, बट इफ यू हैव अ नाइस पोस्ट दैट गॉट अ गुड रीच, if you had some kind of before and after results on your profile also, even if you don't have clients, even if it's on your own profile and it's your own results, just showcase that in customer success stories or my success story or case study, right? You can also do case studies as well, so just add it like this, right? So this is pretty simple. इससे pictures लगाने से call out से this is pretty simple. You just for this just type H3 टाइप करके just heading आप टाइप कर देना आप लोग, and for the body you just it's just normal text, तो उसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So it's clear, right? Everything's clear अभी तक?
Yes.
Okay, okay. ओके पीपल प्लीज रिएक्ट ताकि मुझे पता चले कि सब सुन रहे हैं. मेरा कैमरा भी ऑफ है, पर पर मैं ये करी आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू माय बेस्ट. आई गॉट स्टार्टेड एट द बिगिनिंग. मुझे लग रहा था अरे यार मेरा इंटरनेट अभी जाके खराब होना था. ओके फाइन. So let's move on to the next section. Okay. So here's what people say about me. ठीक है श्रेया का श्रेया का एक comment just for example I have done. So just H3 करके, if you don't have client testimonials, this is an option. Here's what people tell about me. ठीक है, and you just add screenshots of what comments you've gotten. If you have client testimonials, that's great, but if you don't have client testimonials, just use screenshots of what people tell about your work, just screenshots of comments that you've gotten on your profile already, right? So you can use anything. So this is for people who जिनके पास अभी भी clients नहीं है but they want to showcase कि हाँ लोग मेरे काम के बारे में ये सब इतना सब अच्छा कुछ कहते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने ये 2 स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिया है जस्ट कमेंट्स, बट इट कैन बी अबाउट योर वर्क, लाइक हाँ ग्रेट डिजाइन या ग्रेट कंटेंट, आई रियली रेजोनेटेड विथ योर कंटेंट, तो वैसे तरीके का कंटेंट आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके डाल सकती हो यहाँ, ठीक है. देन क्लाइंट टेस्टिमोनियल्स, अगर आपके पास क्लाइंट टेस्टिमोनियल्स है, just add client testimonials in the same way. I'm not going to repeat myself because I feel like this tutorial might get boring. It's already a bit boring, maybe, right? So just here's what people say about me. और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पास client testimonials है, even if it's a WhatsApp message कि हाँ great work, you have done really well. आप अगर आपके पास already existing पुराने नए client testimonials है, you can just take a screenshot and add it the same way right here. Okay? Okay. So हमने अभी बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है. We have done an intro right here. Okay. Please raise your hands when I ask you that हाँ अभी आप questions पूछ सकते हो मेरे से, right? So वही. So hi there, I'm Vichita. We have done a basic intro. We have done a call out section. We have done buttons. We have shown that अच्छा ठीक है ऐसे करके अपना visuals या अपना काम ऐसे करके photos लेके आप showcase कर सकते हो. We have done a section on customer success और personal success stories जहाँ आप अपना काम दिखा सकते हो before after results दिखा सकते हो. And here's what people tell about me कि people आपके बारे में क्या बोलते हैं या client testimonials ये सब कुछ दिखा सकते हो. ओके. तो अभी किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है until now? Someone raised their hand, right? I saw someone raise their hand. Yeah, Rohit. Rohit, go ahead.
यस एक्चुअली मेरा ये क्वेरी था सो
हम्म.
वी कैन ऐड रिजल्ट्स यहाँ पे हम रिजल्ट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं जो
हाँ,
हमने हमारे
रिजल्ट्स ऑफ कोर्स आप रिजल्ट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हो बट सिंस दिस इज आल्सो फॉर पीपल जिनके पास मे बी ऑलरेडी क्लाइंट्स नहीं है या क्लाइंट टेस्टिमोनियल्स नहीं है या
ठीक है
उतना रिजल्ट नहीं है तो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल्स कि नहीं आपके पास अगर नहीं भी है तो आप खुद के रिजल्ट्स भी शोकेस कर सकते हो है ना
ठीक है
बिफोर आफ्टर
एंड
रिजल्ट्स.
उसके अलावा जस्ट उसके अलावा कोई टॉप प्रोफाइल्स एंड उसके बहुत टॉप लीडर्स के साथ हमने काम किया उनके प्रोफाइल्स पे काम किया वो भी हम मेंशन आउट कर सकते हैं क्या
हाँ देखो तुम्हारा खुद का पोर्टफोलियो है आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू हाउ टू स्ट्रक्चर थिंग्स आउट कि आप कैसे अच्छे तरीके से पूरा एक नोशन पेज बना सकते हो इससे right
ओके
so the content can be anything you can just switch you can just plug in any kind of content you want it doesn't have to be like कि मुझे यही करना है मुझे यही follow करना है you can just learn the commands learn the notion commands कि अच्छा इससे ऐसे होता है मैं ऐसे तरीके से अच्छे से पूरा प्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ अपना चीज तो that's it. रोहित इज मतलब तुमको जो डाउट था वो क्लियर हो गया.
यस 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 क्लियर
Okay, okay. Any more questions? Then we can go to the tally form part. Tally form and end with FAQ part. Okay, no more questions. अभी तक ठीक लग रहा है सबको? Just give me a reaction so that I know. अभी तक सबको like सही लग रहा है? I know it's a bit of a boring, but I hopefully you are learning, right? Okay, thank you. चलो चलो. तो we have learned till कि ठीक है client testimonials भी हमने डाल दिया. Let's start with we are just left with two more sections. Just be with me guys. फिर खत्म हो जाएगा इतना बड़ा lecture. तो we have contact form and FAQ. नवजीत जी wait am I हाँ नवजीत जी आप जो पूछ रहे थे अभी वो आएगा ठीक है. हाँ
ओके ओके मैं देख रही हूँ.
हाँ तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट /H3 अभी तक मैं जितना बार बोल चुकी आप लोगों को मेमोराइज भी हो चुका है. कॉन्टैक्ट मी. ओके तो हम अभी यहाँ पे टैली फॉर्म कैसे बनाएं. ओके जस्ट साइन इन टू टैली. okay you just sign in to tally it's pretty simple you sign in with your gmail and it will take you here. Okay and if you use notion tally is pretty simple it's like notion as well. just click on new form क्योंकि आप new form create करना चाहते हो. okay then form title आप क्या form title ठीक है just contact form. and then press enter. now what we are going to do /short answer. all of this is recorded so there is no need of पर नोट करके रखो ठीक है. शॉर्ट आंसर में मैं बस प्लेस होल्डर में नेम लिख रही हूँ कि आपका क्लाइंट का जो अगर कोई फॉर्म फिलअप किया तो जो नेम है वो क्या होना चाहिए. ओके, एंटर मार्के, then email / I will just type email. प्लेस होल्डर एंटर योर ईमेल. प्लेस होल्डर में मैं एंटर योर ईमेल डाल रही हूँ. ओके, एंड देन एंटर. लास्ट में / लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप करो ताकि अगर उनके पास कुछ एक दिस इज इन लॉन्ग फॉर्म वो बहुत सारे वर्ड्स टाइप कर पाएंगे. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट डू यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन. ओके, सो वी आर प्रीटी मच, इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल राइट. बस हो गया, अपना फॉर्म हो गया. तो अभी हम पब्लिश कर देंगे इस चीज को. ओके, सो वी हैव इट पब्लिश्ड. जस्ट कॉपी द लिंक. मेक श्योर टू गो टू सेटिंग्स. सेटिंग्स में जाके क्या करना ना, गो टू सेटिंग्स, नोटिफिकेशंस पे जाना. वेट. हाँ, इसके सेटिंग्स मतलब कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर्म के सेटिंग्स में जाना. सेटिंग्स में जाके ईमेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करके रखना. ठीक है, so that it directly goes to your email. If someone fill out the form, it directly goes to your email. Save changes. हो गया सेव एंड योर टैली फॉर्म इज रेडी. मतलब जो फॉर्म का जो सेटिंग्स है वहां जाके जस्ट enable that so that if someone fills out the form it will directly go to your email. Copy this. कॉन्टैक्ट में जो पार्ट है वहां बस कल्ट वी करो. प्रेस embed. After you press embed, the form will come. Just crop it out. यहाँ क्रॉपिंग का ऑप्शन रहेगा ही, कुछ अलग से नहीं करना पड़ेगा आपको. बस क्रॉप फॉर साइज एंड इट्स डन. अगर कोई आपका नेम, उनका नेम, ईमेल और प्रोजेक्ट एंटर करेगा एंड सबमिट हिट करेगा तो इट विल डायरेक्टली गो टू योर ईमेल. नाउ हाउ डू आई डू दिस कि ये क्लिक करने से फॉर्म में ले जाएगा. एंड आई टोल्ड यू एट द बिगिनिंग कि ये क्लिक करने से आपको फॉर्म तक ले जाएगा. सो हाउ डू वी डू दैट. यहाँ पे जो ब्लॉक है, ठीक है, उसको क्लिक करो. देन कॉपी लिंक टू ब्लॉक क्लिक करो. कॉपी लिंक टू ब्लॉक. ओके, सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट दिस पार्ट. एड लिंक. कल्ट के या यहाँ एड लिंक का आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. पेस्ट दैट लिंक टू ब्लॉक एंड डन. तो आप जब भी क्लिक करोगे नीचे स्क्रॉल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इफ यू क्लिक दिस पार्ट.
Rishita, ये टैली कहाँ, सॉरी यार, ओके I'll ask you later. Sorry.
तो this is how you create the form. I will just show you the FAQ session and then all of you can ask me questions, right? FAQ. तो FAQ सेक्शन में हम क्या करेंगे, आपको जैसे दिख रहा है कि टॉगल्स है. That if anyone has any questions for you, they can just toggle and see what it can be. What it can be any question your clients might ask you कि आपका पैकेज कितना प्राइस रेंज में रहता है, आपका कितना साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. आई हैव जस्ट गिवन हियर एग्जांपल्स, यू कैन जस्ट हैव एनीथिंग हियर. तो टॉगल ऐड करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्रीटी सिंपल. /toggle, देन what tools do I use कर लिया. Then if you press this button, आप यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हो कुछ भी. आई एम टू लेजी, टाइप कर दी कुछ भी मैं. ठीक है, तो what do I use for tools यहाँ हो गया. Now you can just कॉपी दिस ब्लॉक, पेस्ट, लाइक एंटर मारने से आपका टॉगल और एक आ जाएगा, और एक एंटर मारोगे तो इट विल एग्जिट, बट आई एम जस्ट लेजी. डन. खाकीबाजी की है, ठीक है. So this is how you do your FAQ sessions as section as well. Just have a few questions that your clients or whoever visits your portfolio might have, and just have them here. यहाँ पे आंसर लिखो, ये सब मत लिखना मेरी तरह. तो आंसर लिखना यहाँ, और and you will have your portfolio. Okay. So we are done finally. ये तो I created from scratch. This is the original one that I created. This is the dark version. Let me show you how it looks in lighter version as well, right? This is how it looks in light version. Okay. And this is how it looks in dark version. जो आपने देख ही लिया है. Let's keep it dark since मैं पहले से ही वही दिखा के आ रही हूँ. So we are done. हो गया लेक्चर खत्म, ठीक है.
Good.
अभी अभी if anyone has any kind of queries, पहले तो कैसा लगा, everyone react, ठीक है.
Yeah, very
Uh,
nice. Richita, you tell me what is that tally? I didn't understand that. Made with tally, वो tally कहाँ से आएगी?
हाँ, आप just
Yeah,
search
you know,
tally form.
I didn't get this. हाँ.
हाँ,
Huh?
just type tally form, ठीक है. गूगल सर्च करना,
Oh,
ठीक है.
okay, okay,
Create sign
okay.
up with an account and just start creating a form. You can embed it anywhere. आपके ईमेल में डायरेक्टली चला जाएगा. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि जो फॉर्म का, जो मैं बताई तब, जो फॉर्म का जो सेटिंग्स है, ओके, जस्ट मेक
हाँ.
श्योर कि फॉर्म का जो सेटिंग्स है वहां ईमेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन होना चाहिए. रेस्ट इज
हाँ.
ओके, ताकि
हाँ.
आपको मिले, ईमेल में मिले कि हाँ किसी ने फॉर्म में कुछ जमा किया है, यू शुड चेक. ओके,
Okay, okay, okay.
दैट्स इट.
Oh,
वो
this.
अलग से करना पड़ेगा, बट हाँ, दैट्स हाउ वी डू इट.
Okay, very nice. This is something new I learned today. Thank you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू. और कुछ, और और कोई क्वेश्चंस? डज एनीवन हैव क्वेश्चंस?
We'll get the recording of this now.
या एवरीवन विल गेट अ रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ इट
Okay,
बाय टुमारो. तो
very nice.
एनी,
Thank you, Richita.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू. एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? मैं इतनी अच्छी टीचर कब से बन गई यारो कि समझ में आ गया तुम लोगों को. डू यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस, और कोई डाउट्स, और कोई क्वेरीज?
जब करने बैठेंगे तभी पता चलेगा कि कितना. Okay, so we might ask you on the WhatsApp group. I might.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
ठीक है.
एकदम एकदम, नो प्रॉब्लम.
If anytime, if I get stuck somewhere, then I'll get in touch with you on WhatsApp.
And thank you everyone for being patient with me. I know there was some network issue from my side, and you guys are really patient with me. So thank you so much. चलो, अच्छा लगा कि you guys stuck around, है ना? And guys, don't leave. Some people are leaving. We will be taking a screenshot. We will be taking a picture with everyone, right? और अभी इस बार ये संदीप संदीप अपना वेबकैम तैयार रखे हो ना, एकदम मस्त वाला फोटो निकलेगा.
वेबकैम तो तैयार है, मैं नहीं हूँ.
हाँ,
वेबकैम तो तैयार है, मैं नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
क्यों भाई, तू अब क्या सूट वगैरह पहन के रेडी होगा क्या फोटो क्लिक करवाने के लिए?
होना पड़ता है यार, अच्छे फोटो नहीं आए इतनी बार में एक बार भी।
क्या?
इतनी बार में एक बार भी अच्छा फोटो नहीं आया यार।
Okay, Ruchita, I'll take your leave now, right?
Yeah. Sure. If
Really?
anyone, yeah,
My
sure.
family is waiting for dinner.
अरे अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, thank you so